The Sony Xperia 10V 5G is a smartphone that was announced in May 2023 and is expected to be released in June 2023. It has a 6.1-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2520 pixels and a 21:9 aspect ratio. It also has a triple-lens camera with a 48MP wide-angle lens, an 8MP telephoto lens, and an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens. It runs on Android 12 and is upgradable to Android 13. It is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G chipset with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. It has a 5000 mAh battery that supports fast charging. It also has a 3.5mm audio jack and supports high-resolution audio and 360 reality audio. It is water-resistant with an IP65/IP68 rating and has a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection on the front. It comes in 4 colors: black, white, sage green, and lavender.